360DigiTMG. Today we are going to learn EDA, very famous data, Haberman's data, Haberman's survival data set. It is a classic data collected by the Dr. Donald Haberman University of Chicago, Billings Hospital. What is the purpose of data? To predict the survival status of a breast cancer patients of post surgery. Okay. In our data set, a number of rows are 306 and okay, let me first I have to show you a data set. Okay, yeah, here our data set. First column is a age column, age of patients at the time of operation. Okay, and the column is an integer column, and second is year of operation or procedure. Okay, the column is also integer column, and third is number of a lymph nodes. Basically, the cancer happens in a lymph nodes. That's why we are detected lymph nodes. Okay, and fourth column is a survival status after 5 years. Yeah, this is our data set. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns and 3 zeros, 7, including a 1 column name. Okay, I have to minimize. We have to we have patient survived after 5 years. We have to find patient survived after 5 years or longer post surgery. Okay. It is minimized. Okay. I started in a Jupyter. Okay. First we have to import. I import pandas as PD. Okay. Basically the pandas for the data frame and data set to read. And second is import numpy as np. Okay. The p numpy numpy as np. Okay. For numerical calculations. Enter. Then we have for visualization import matpl.plot li matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Okay, pandas as a import cbond. Basically, the cbond is for the advanced visuals. Okay, cbond as s and s. Okay, we can run it by this button or shift enter also. After that, we have data frame data equal to pd dot attributed csv. Okay, R for to read the file. For that, we have a path of that file. We are taking a path of file from, okay, where Hyperman. I saved here, copy path. Yeah, copy path. Now, okay, here I have to paste Control V. Oh, sorry. Yeah, here, Control V. Yeah, shift enter invalid comma. Okay, here I given. Okay, yeah. Data is successfully loaded or not loaded. We have to check DA data dot sh ship. Okay, okay. See, 306 rows and 4 columns. After that, we have to check our data d data dot head. Basically data dot head, which describes the first 5 columns, first 5 rows of our data set. In a Jupyter, whenever we using a head, there is a default value 5. Whenever if we want to give a 10 here, okay, then it will take a 10 rows. Otherwise, it will take 5 rows. Okay. Then we have to check a bottom 5 rows. Data dot tell data dot tell. Okay. Yeah. Okay. After that, we have to check our data types. The I said to you that our 4 columns having a integer data types. Okay. Data dot data types. Okay. Check. For our age column, int year of procedure means operation, int column, and third is a year of lymph nodes, which are the infected nodes are which int column, and fourth is a survival status of a object. Then we have to check data dot descr. Okay, yeah. Here is a short about our data set. Count, mean, what is the mean, and standard minimum 25%. Okay. After that, we have uh, hash first moment of business. If business business. Okay. Okay. For the first movement in our mind map, first movement of business is mean, median, and mode. For that, we have to data dot column name. We have a column name age dot mean. Sorry. Yeah, I forget parenthesis. Yeah, mean. Like that same, we have to always control C. Yeah, control V. Here, I'm copying this column name so that I can't, I want to avoid the spelling mistakes. Okay, here, okay, year of procedure. Okay, enter. Here is a mean value. Okay, dot number of lymph nodes, control C. No, mean. Okay. uh, Mean value of the number of lymph nodes, and fourth is Survival status. Okay. Control C. Okay. Dot in mean. Yeah. In a first movement of business, we done with the mean. Now median. Data dot control C. Okay. In, median. Okay. Uh, okay. I done spelling mistake. Median. Okay. Uh, now we have to copy this. Control C. Control V. Here we have to change only median. Okay. And third is median. Control C. Control V. We have to change only a median. I'm doing this to avoid median. Okay. Data. Okay. V. Okay. Control V. Median. Okay. In the first movement of business, we have done with a mean, median. Now it's a mode. Okay. For that same, we have to copy. Control C. Control V. Here we have to change only a mode. Yeah. Now, like that same, we have to change. Control C. Control E. Here. Okay. Mode. And our third column. Control V. In our code, we have to change only last value. Okay, mode. And last one is Control C, Control V. Okay, mode. Okay, yeah. Here we done with the first movement of business. Now we have to done with the second movement of business. This second movement of business will be okay. Enter. Second, in a second movement of business, we have variance, standard deviation, and range. Okay, data. Oh, okay, this is the variance. Here, variance year of. Okay. C data dot year of variance. We have to change only a mode name variance. Yeah, variance like that same. We have to copy here, Control C, Control V, change only of variance VAR. Okay. Number of lymph nodes now only remaining this C data V. Okay. Here we have to change only where. Yeah. Uh variance is okay. Now standard deviation data dot h dot st. Okay, standard deviation. Now column number second. Control C. Here we have to change standard deviation. Yeah, standard deviation. Now we have to for third column, Control C, Control V. Yeah, yeah. Now it's time for fourth column. Okay, Control C, Control V. Yeah. Okay, standard deviation. Now variance is happen. Now standard deviation. Now it's a range. For a range equal to max data dot AGH minus mean data dot HE. Okay, enter RANGE. Okay, this is the first column of a range. Now we have to range of second column. Range equal to max data. I have to copy this column name to avoid spelling mistake. Control C. Okay. Minimum. Okay. It's the second column. Range equal to max data dot number of lymph nodes. Number of lymph nodes minus minimum data dot number of lymph nodes. Okay, this is the range of third column. Year of procedure age. Now range equal to max data dot. I have to copy this column name. Control C. Okay. Control V minus minimum equal to data control V. Yeah. In G. Here we have done with the second movement of business. Now third movement of business. Okay. In the third movement of business, we have skewness. Okay. For that, we have to write data dot age dot skew. Okay. Yeah. For the first column, there is a skewness. For second column, data dot. I have to copy this column name C. Control V, year of a procedure dot skew. Now for a third column, data dot. I have to copy this column name here. Control C. V dot. Okay, this is the third column. And data dot. I have to copy this column name so avoid spelling mistake. Control C. V dot skew. Shift enter. Okay. Here we done with the third movement of business. Now fourth movement of business. Here, comment line hash. Okay. Now data dot. Basically, in the fourth movement of business, we find a kurtosis. So age dot kurtosis. Yeah. For the second column, data dot year of a procedure. Control C. V dot QURT. Second column, third column, data dot V. Okay. Now cut dot kurtosis. Lymph nodes. We done with the three columns. Now fourth movement for fourth column. Dot survival of. Control C. Control V dot QURT kurtosis. Here we done with the fourth movement of a business in a EDA, statistical from on the basis of this mean, median, mode, variance, standard deviation, range, kurtosis, and skewness, we have to find statistical insights. Now we have to plot some plots. Okay, we have to plot some plots. For loop, by using a for loop. IDX dot feature in enumerate LIST list data dot column. Okay, data dot columns. We have to close this parenthesis. Now square bracket, colon symbol, -1. After that, we have to close this bracket by square bracket and parenthesis, the colon. Okay, now fg equal to s. Basically, we here use Seaborn library. That's why SNS. Let's see. Asset grade data. Now HUE equal to survival status. Oh, kurtosis. Copy, Control C. Here, Control V. Okay. Now we have to close this with a parenthesis. Enter fg dot map Seaborn dot tplo. Okay, dist plot. Feature. We have to close this. Add legend. Okay, legend. Yeah. After that, we have to give a parenthesis. Enter. Now plt dot show parenthesis. Enter. SNS. Here I done a mistake. SNS. I have to give a dot. Yeah. This is the our test plot. Okay. Let me. This is our test plot. Now we have one more visualization. One more visualization of a box plot. Okay. For hash PX box or box plot figure access equal to plot plt dot sub plout plot parenthesis 1 comma 3 figure size. We have to give a figure size. We have to give a figure size. Yeah, figure size we have to give an 15 comma 5. Okay. That's here. We have to give a double. Yeah. Now for loop dx comma char enumerate right, comma list comma data dot columns. Okay, we have to close and open with square bracket -1. Yeah, here at close, I have to close here. Okay, now colon, enter, dot box pl box plot x equal to, I have to copy this, Control C, Control V. I have to give in a colon. Okay. Yeah. Now we have to comma y equal to feature comma data equal to data. Our data frame name comma ax equal to access and I b x. Yeah. No. Sure. Okay. Here I done some mistakes. A plot. Okay. This one is box plot. idx x access data equal to data y equal to feature survival SNS box plot. Okay, SNS plot show plt dot show subplot show 1,3 fixed size is 15.5 and figure size is with access subplot. Here I have missed S. Yeah, this is a box plot. Guys, for today we done with the EDA. Okay, for today that's it. That it's okay. Okay, I have to stop sharing for today. It is enough. From another session we are going with the auto EDA libraries. Thank you.